Rearranging 101, or rearranging the house with baby Finn and new plants. So after this video, mas maayos na yung bahay. Ito na ang mga halaman natin. Ooh. There's more. Wow. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Too much. Ano daw pakasyahin sa bahay ito?
Ano ito?
Jungle. Kung wari na sa isla tayo. This is one of the best Iranian restaurants here in Dubai.
Not good for three.
Oh my god, look at that.
Lamb shirt, and this is lamb kebab. This is joji kebab with the marination of the saffron chicken. This is your bag, the lamb stick.
Yan, si Ate Emily delivering the rice.
Rice. Mama, anong rice nito?
I think may ito yun. Ano?
That's
Ito
a
yung
sap.
green rice with the beans. Saffron rice.
Ate, may garlic rice ka, wala?
Ay, wala po.
Next year we come back.
This is the best. And so fresh.
Traditional.
And the meat is so good. The quality of the lamb.
Sour sumac.
Herbal sumac.
And with the fatouche they put it as well. It's better.
Really. So good. Welcome to your new jungle, Finn. Ayusin pa natin to. Medyo ito pala yung rough plant layout. Somehow hindi pa ako happy. I guess isasend ko yung video na to kay Katie. Baka matulungan niya ako sa pag-arrange. Pero ito pala yung rough. Again, it's gonna be a work in progress. And yun yung station ni Camille. Diyan palagi sila nag-change ng diaper. Pero nakapag hanggang play lang ako and milk and burpee and play and kaya ko na rin magpatulog. Pero si Camille talaga ang expert. Ano? Pacifier. And ito na lang. Okay. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do my best to fix this house. Lately, medyo wala tayong mga vlogs kasi I'm working on something and actually medyo busy. Busy with Finn, busy being a new dad, busy with something new, busy with we have an event this coming weekend and supposedly dalawang event, then na-cancel yung isa dahil dito sa Dubai, dahil sabi ng organizer, so nagpasubmit sila ng aming booth design and hindi nila daw nagustuhan. So, kinancel nila kami. So, for the first time, kinancel nila ang concept namin because for the sole reason na hindi nila nagustuhan yung itsura ng booth. So, sabi ko nga sa organizer, I'm disappointed and I feel somehow offended because why judge a book by its cover? Diba? Why hindi nyo pa nga natikman? Hindi nyo pa nga nabasa yung libro? Ginudge nyo na kami kaagad. Our booth is, 100% Filipino. And because that's who we are. Bakit ko pa itago yung ating mismong kultura o yung ating mismong pagkain sa iba? Bakit ko siya i-fusion, di ba? Teka lang. Harap ako dito sa may view. And tingnan ko yung bago nating halaman. Anyways, naalala ko before, nung kaka-start pa lang namin dito, sinabihan ako ng isang Filipino na, Chef, hindi ka ba maglagay ng non-Filipino item sa menu mo? Hindi mo ba siya i-fusion para ibang lahi rin makatikim? Sabi ko hindi, kasi kaya naman kaya naman natin kaya naman ng pagkain natin bakit pa natin i-dilute? So yun, doon pa rin ako. Sabi ko nga sa organizer, hey, it's not your fault, really. It's not, kasi medyo na-guilty siya. In fairness. Sabi ko, no. It's okay. I guess it's just not meant to be. And, it's just a shame that they're not, open-minded. But, anyways, what can we do? Diba? Bakit natin pilitin yung sarili natin sa isang bagay na hindi naman, or bakit natin pilitin yung sarili natin na hindi pa ready? Di ba hindi pa siguro ready yung event na yun? Pero sa ibang event, okay naman Sa ibang event, embrace tayo. I guess, yun nga, pakanya-kanya. Pakanya-kanyang vibe, pakanya-kanyang okasyon. And to be fair, dito sa Dubai, sobrang multicultural, sobrang open-minded mga tao. And they're so curious about our cuisine. Kaya it's a double-edged sword. There are, may good side, may bad side. Pero again, perspective, guys. Kung it doesn't mean na dahil ayaw nila, ayaw na ng lahat. Hindi naman Ito lang. Pero ito lang kagandahan. Sorry, are you guys still with me? Medyo sobrang random lang kasi yung kwentuhan Ito lang. Mas marami pa rin positive sa negative. So, kumbaga, ito negative, well, not so positive. Yun na lang. Palaging half full tayo pag tumingin. Palaging half glass full. Yan. I guess what I'm trying to say is that mas marami namang okasyon na open-minded yung tao. Mas marami naman times na nakakagana dala ng bandera natin. Tama ba yan? I guess yung point ko, the good outweighs the bad. Yun lang pala And so, when we are faced with when someone questions our identity or challenges us, or when it's an obstacle, since na yun nga, mas marami naman good, yun na lang yung babaunin natin, or yun dun tayo kukuha ng lakas para makatuloy tayo. Again, yun yung tinatawag na obstacle, and it's nothing really. Pero deep down, lalo akong parang lalo akong parang lalo lumakas yung apoy sa sarili ko na i-prove ko palalo sa inyo na nagkamali kayo, but I guess again, in time. Good morning. Today's another day, and the weather is really nice here in Dubai. May pupunta lang akong car shop kasi papapalitan ko yung rims ko. Basta, kwento ko na lang mamaya. Dito tayo pupunta. Dito tayo papalit ng rims natin. So So these are fuel tires. This is this good on road?
Yeah.
But is it noisy?
Little, not too much.
Not too much. Like compared to this one?
Like Cooper.
Huh?
Like Cooper.
Light Cooper? What does that mean? This is so you think this is better? Okay, but how about the noise?
Noise. See, this is all terrain.
So it's okay?
All tires, all terrain has a little bit noise.
This is more macho, more aggressive. Chai-chai muna tayo habang naghihintay. Ang ginawa ko, sinwap ko yung aking stock LC rims and tires, which is that one. Ganda rin yun, no? That's a nice looking KMC also. Ah, old school. That's Ismail,
Hi.
one of the owners. So they're brothers. And how many years Formula Tire?
More than 20 years.
20 years. So from father to second generation. To second generation. And then third generation over there inside, you see them. They're also into cars. Anyways, I'm competing with him. We go over here. So yeah, Ismail is a very good car salesman. You see all these guys, lahat dito nag kumbaga ito yung toy store ng mga ingay. Dito muna tayo. They're brothers, Formula Tires. Ilan ba sila magkapatid dito, ate? 5. Tapos pero lahat sila sa family business, no? Lalaki lahat. Babae. Pero ibang negosyo nila. Ikaw ate, ilang years ka na dito?
1 year.
1 year.
2 years.
Magaling ka na sa mga gulong.
Hindi ba masyado?
Saan ka before?
First job ko.
First job mo? So galing ka sa atin?
Opo.
Hello there. One of the third generation. And nakausap ko yan last time. Magaling na rin. Magaling na rin sa gulong. I guess, iba pa rin ang family business. And iba pa rin talaga pag hilig mo siyang gawin. Yung third generation na kausap ko, tinanong ko sila ano yung mga kotse nila, yung mga sagot. Hindi yung mga basta-bastang kotse. I mean, hindi flashy, pero very, I guess, very functional and very adventure-driven cars. Kasi, I mean, they're into off-roads. And maselan yung pick nila. Anyways, I'll speak a little bit of English, but just in case they watch this vlog, they understand. Anyways, Formula Tires, your family is very admirable in a sense that the father started it, then the sons are continuing the legacy and then passing it on to your grandson, sir. And amazing. Some businesses stop because it's not being continued, but you guys keep on thriving. And I mean, I guess that's how some businesses evolve. Would I want my son to be a chef? I don't know. It really depends on him if he wants to. Would I want my son to be in cars? Hopefully, yes. So that my wife and the mother of Finn will give us more car passes. So yeah, as I was saying, this is my eyes are sparkling right now because it's like our toy store. It's our candy shop. It's what makes us happy. Kumbaga, well, i-translate ko lang naman talaga. Ito yung nagpapasaya sa atin. Nagtatrabaho tayo di ba? Nagtatrabaho naman tayo. And deserve naman natin mag-enjoy ng ating pinaghirapan. In other words, in English, we worked hard and we play harder. So yeah, they kind of do everything here almost. They have this is a bracket, and lights. They have that. Then that is the guy that's always on social media. Then that's the other brother over there. Look at all these guys smiling, enjoying. So ito yung una kong rims. Dati black yan. Tapos pinakulayan ko kanila Ricky. Air coming? I step back. Okay. The guys working here, I noticed, they're very happy. They're passionate in what they do. Yan, nakita ko na yan before. Hello, how are you? Yan, see, he's smiling. They're happy. Okay, alis tayo dito. Remember what the father told me last time. Sabi ko, wow, your shop, from where you guys change the tires and rims, it's air conditioned. He goes, yeah, people have to be comfortable, especially during summer, so that if they're comfortable, they work better. So, I know, guys sa Kuya and sa Sarsa, yung kitchen natin, mainit talaga. And I'm working on it. I know matagal ko nang promise yan sa inyo. I won't give up till maayos ko. Okay? Sorry na sobrang tagal. Yan o, ganda rin no? KMC. That's it, brother?
Yes.
Woohoo! Oh my god. That is nice. Alright. Let's go. 4. Let's do 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you like it? Yeah. Let's go around. Check it out from afar. Ooh. Very nice. New shoes for the new year. Mansoor? Where are you from?
From Afghanistan.
Oh, wow. It's so nice. It's like looking at a beautiful lady. My wife, actually. It's like my wife. And so yeah, Mansoor is doing a very good job here at Formula Tire. He is in charge of marketing, right? Social media.
Social media.
Yeah. Yeah. How long have you been with
Almost 5 months.
5 months? Okay. Nice. It's what you're doing is working, because every time I see your page, it makes me want to come here. Dangerous. What you're doing is dangerous.
We have a lot of stuff for cars like wheels, shocks.
Yeah.
Available in our
Nice. I am so happy. It's so nice. I can look at my car like how I look at my wife. And this smirk, hindi to mawawala. Matagal-tagal to. Anyways, I'm here to pick up Camille and Finn. We are on our way to a checkup. So, just waiting for them, and I will be... Kumbaga, di ba? Pag happy yung asawa, kahit ano paggawa ng partner mo, gawin mo eh. Hindi naman, kahit hindi happy, kailangan mo pa rin gawin, di ba? Pero, kumbaga, parang nakakuha ka ng bonus. Parang ganun. But no. On a serious note, I really have to be extra nice and extra helpful, especially kung sa mga postpartum, yung kapanganak lang. First time ko, pero well, Camille sent me some articles to read, and yeah, you really have to be above and beyond, kasi the stuff that they are going through, hindi basta-basta. Yeah, I'll do my best. Hindi pa ako magaling, pero working on it. today we're gonna go... may ocular tayo. May event kasi kami this Saturday. And we're gonna check it out with the team. I like the new Range Rover Sport. Very sleek. And compact.
Kailangan mo yata muna ilabas.
Man, look at you. Parang ready ka na to sleep.
Aha.
Para malamig.
Speaker will bring his own computer.
Grabe, yung Ferrari nasa labas lang. This is where we're gonna have our barbecue on Saturday here in Alcuz. And harap siya ng favorite nating cafe, which is Birch. Where do we park? So ito puro mga Jeep Wrangler, mga setup dito. Oh, hey, look at that LC. Kargado rin. Well, ganda ng bumper niya. And yung rack niya. Actually, yun yung gusto kong pagawa sa LC. That rack on top. But, tsaka na. Tsaka na talaga. So, we're gonna set up our grill here. And then, all the cars will be removed. And then, it's gonna be a party. DJ over there, kung saan yung red na Jeep. And then, kitchen and bar beside each other. Ang ganda ng upuan ah.
Mirrors بدهم 3-4 ساعات. اللايت بار بده 3 ساعات. السوق كامل.
Look at that. While we wait for our staff, si Princess and si Jason pupunta. Susunod sila to do the ocular again for Rami. And let us check out my favorite cafe once again. Yan ang setup. I mean, basket lang, tinaob lang, yun, nilagyan, bench. Sobrang simple, pero hindi baduy, di ba? Sobrang rugged, yes. Pero cool. Parang nasa gilid ka lang talaga ng daan. Ayan.
Yes, sir.
Hi Liz, kamusta? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Happy Valentine's. Sobrang sarap dito yung... Uy, bago ba tong banh mi?
Yes. Bago namin siya.
Okay. This is very un-Dubai. Because here in Dubai, everything is perfect. Everything is like spot on. Everything is cookie cutter. And that's why I love this place. This place is just so organic, so real, and delicious. And syempre, you come here during like winter season because you can do this. You know, you can hang out. If you come here during summer, wala. Pero ang galing because this is actually... I've said this before, pero that was like a year ago. This is a commissary for their bake shop. And then what they did is just naglagay lang sila ng konting seating area. Ito yung dream kong setup. Meron akong commissary and then meron akong kainan. Kasi the best place to eat is from the source. Joke one, bakit masarap? Kasi nasa likod lang yung commissary. Ito, Birch, bakit masarap? Why is it good? Because kitchen's just there.
Roast beef, chef.
Yay!
Thank you.
Oh, the best roast beef. Ay, order ako ng focaccia.
Focaccia seasoning.
Meron pa ba?
Last one.
Okay, akin na yan. Saan siya ngayon? Wala siya dito.
Nasa Mirza. Oh, parang ano po nila, year-end party nila.
Oh?
Oh, late na. Kamusta, chef?
Masarap
Di ba nagbabago yung rose?
Kuya, meron kayong season.
Season meron po.
At saka, may hot sauce kayo.
Hot sauce Tabasco, chef.
Sige. Hello, kumusta?
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Kain tayo. Sarap pa rin. Oh, grabe. The bread, the Parmesan cheese, the beef, everything about it. The onion jam. My absolute go-to cafe here in Dubai.
Gawin na namin yung sausage muffin ni Mr.
Bebo, meron silang beef satay banh mi. Ayun na si Jason and si Princess, our staff. We're gonna check out Rami. Jason is in charge of our vibe check. And then Princess is in charge of our customer service. Okay na tayo. So, meeting the Avance. Supposedly, pupunta kami sa yung sinasabi kong croissant or croissant. Kaso lang, wala si Matt. So, minsan kasi, di ba, when you go to an establishment, example, you go to a restaurant, gusto mo nandun yung chef. You go to a store, gusto mo yung magbenta sa'yo, yung may-ari. Example dito, here at Rami's. I want Marwan to be here if I was to set up, but hindi pa ako ready dito. Not quite there yet. Dito lang muna ako sa lifestyle. Anyways, it helps when you are not there in your establishment, meron kang someone or meron kang clone or meron kang trained or trusted or alam mo yun, someone that can do somehow your job. Example, when I go to Overland Kings, I want Joel to be there because I want it's part of the experience. And that's why with Overland Kings, what Joel did is he also trained his people. Parang everyone, lahat niyang mekaniko nagka-camp. Lahat niyang personnel nagka-camp para they know what they're selling. They live it. Same with our staff. Kaya dinala ko rin si Jason and si Princess dito sa Birch para magets nila yung ibig naming sabihin. So, yeah, I guess with leadership or with your people, kailangan gets nila or buy-in rin sila sa gusto mong gawin. Okay, alright. I am gonna end this. Okay, the end. Bye.